Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing the best friend tag. As you can see, I have my best friend here. This is Uwani. You want to say hi? Hello! Yes, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram. She's at Uwani. She's at liviawithdfro. Alright, so we're going to be doing the best friend tag. We just went online. I came to Lagos to visit her and my loved ones, and I was like, you know, we need to do the best friend tag, and she's like, why not come through, and we're here. So stay tuned, keep watching. Let's get into this video. Since you are the special guest in this channel, you answer this first question. Why? Yeah. Because you are the special guest, so you have to answer the question first.
We're supposed to lead the way. You're supposed to show example.
Okay.
Lead by example.
Okay, I'll do this one first. So the first question says, how and when did we meet? Okay, so we met in secondary school and we met in GSS 1. Yeah, and that was in 2006. Yeah, 2006. So do the math. We've been friends for like more than a decade. Can you imagine?
Wow.
Like, seriously, we've been friends for more than a decade. Yeah, so that's the first question.
Yeah, do I have to answer it as well?
Yeah, but it's already the same thing.
It's the same thing. That's how we met, just one high school.
Yeah, true. So the second question is, what was your first impression of her?
Okay,
she's gonna ask this.
Yeah. So my first impression of her, I never spoke to her. Like when I saw her, I was like, who's this one? She just had this attitude, and then my other friend was like, he didn't like her, so I shouldn't be friends with her. And I just had like bad, I had really bad ideas of what she was like, but you know, she just had to fall in love with me.
Oh yeah, she ended up putting me first because she just thought I was like this big babe. I skipped myself. I skipped myself.
First in class, yes.
Well, that's what the cocoa of the matter is. Like I was that babe. That's all. But
she knew that there was another babe right there.
Like the first time I saw her, like because I had like long base, my hair was long in secondary school. So I saw her hair. I was like, I was this girl.
We love her because you already used to use that too, you know.
Shine. So I was like, okay, she has to be my friend. When the girls with long base, you get it, alright? So the next question is, what's your favorite memory together? I'll answer this one.
Okay.
Remember the time where you had that confrontation with the SS3 girls?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and like she went through a lot. She was so emotionally distressed.
My God, yeah.
And I was just like, I don't know if you want to tell them the story, but I'll just tell them the tea. So she was just so stressed and sad. And me as the best friend, I came through. I made sure she had like games to play. Like
and she plotted a heavy revenge. That's all we're gonna say.
Yeah, so that was like a very
it was a nice intimate
moment. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
So the next question is, describe each other in one word. You go first.
I'll say Olivia is very carefree. Not carefree in the sense of, you know, just doing anyhow, but she's like an open person, she's an open book, so yeah, I'll say that.
I don't know if I can use one word to describe you. I'll say she's sassy. Like if you meet her the first time, you just think she's like, the only thing about her is this sass, but she's more than that. And then she's like determined, like anything she puts her mind into, like anything, like I'm serious, any DIY, any project, any life issue, she says she's gonna fix it and solve it. Like that's the one you should do. So yeah. Yeah, she's sassy and determined. So the next question is, what's her shoe size?
She's a size 41
and she's a 40-41 too, but mostly 41. We can wear each other's shoes. Like 42.
I'm actually 41, 42.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
but we wear each other's shoes because I'm 40-41. We shall meet in the middle. So the next question is, what's their favorite food? I don't know if you have one. I know you like snails. Yeah. I know you like okra soup. I know you like ogbono.
Yeah.
And I don't know, you like shrimps. She has an exotic palate. Okay. So I can't really say.
Okay.
And starch and banga.
Yeah. And actually, the first time I had starch and banga,
I took her to go and have starch and banga. And you have it.
What's your favorite? I don't know. She's a messy eater. Like she's just.
I can't eat
likes like ogbono, okra too.
Yeah,
we like to draw.
Yeah. And okay, what's their favorite artist? Please, who knows Uwani and doesn't know her favorite artist? Uwani, you know her favorite artist. Her favorite artist is Nicki Minaj, alright? She was Nicki Minaj.
Excuse me, guys. And for her, I don't know what this new thing is, but she's liking by the beat. Like, okay.
Alright, okay. Can you imagine, like, both of us are like,
No, excuse me, no.
The next question is, on a free day, what does she usually do? A, sleeps late. 2, gets up early at the normal time. 3, gets up earlier. She sleeps late. Like, if you want to talk to one, don't call her by like 11, 12, just call her by 1. Maybe on a good day 12, but nah, she's not an early person.
No,
me,
yeah, she's an early person, definitely, every time.
I'm telling you, sometimes I try not to wake her up when she's sleeping because,
it's
like,
never possible.
I know, I always wake her up. So the next question is, what does she like and dislike? You go first. It's a very tricky one. I don't know, she likes life, she's a free spirit, just like I'm a free spirit. I think that's why we connect. She likes life. If you give her good energy, she'll give you good energy. She loves to travel. You know, when she blows, you think she has blown, but when she blows in life, you'll see that she's like an amazing, what am I saying?
As in, I know what you like about me, guys.
What do you like?
Let me see. What are your likes?
Yeah, what am I like?
She likes hair things. She likes to cook.
Yeah, like
she likes her babe.
Yeah, hey baby.
She likes, I don't know, family things.
Yeah, that's true. We like fitness.
Yeah.
We like to work out. That's something. What is next? What are they said our dislikes too?
Oh, dislikes.
Yeah,
okay.
Dislike.
What do you go first? I just did your line. So.
Oh, see, she doesn't like fake people. That's one thing I know. Like, nah, she doesn't like fake people. What else don't you like? He hates bad customer service. Like, he hates, like, when you order, so she orders something, just give her her goddamn phone. Like, don't waste time. If it's food, don't be late. Like, she hates bad customer service. What do I dislike?
Okay, what you dislike? She doesn't like. Let me see. What don't you like?
I think I like everything.
No, it's just that she's much more better at, handling things she doesn't like, so you might not.
Yeah, that's
what don't you like?
I'm trying something I don't like, but I can't even think of what I don't like. That's weird. Actually, we'll get back to that. Anyways, the next question, what are her strengths and weaknesses?
Okay, I know she doesn't like bad music that is hype.
Yeah! I got the green light, baby. I make it touch the ceiling. Work. You know. I'm sorry, I have to.
No, but actually, this apart from this video, what don't you actually like?
This is weird. I can't really. What don't I like? I think I like everything. I'll just go with that. I don't like. I don't know.
Wow, that's so weird.
Yeah, that's so weird. I need to do my research because I don't get it. Anyways, what are her strengths and weaknesses?
Let me do strength.
You do strengths. I'll do your weaknesses.
I know you have to do both of them. What's that?
Okay.
Her strength, I think she's able to adapt to any. Like you all can throw her, shit, and she will make a way out of it. So I really admire, like sometimes some situations I know that me myself I won't be able to handle it, but Olivia can persevere. Yeah, that's the word. Hashtag perseverance. Yeah, you do persevere a lot.
I think that's why I don't really have a dislike because like most times I just like
tries a whole lot.
Yeah.
She does
Sorry, so you're saying. Is that all?
Yeah. How many am I supposed to give?
I'm a strong person. Can't see my arm. Tell me my strengths. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll tell you.
What you guys doing on this channel?
Yes, I'm a little bit. You understand? So her strengths, your strengths. I basically said it like anything she puts her mind into, she can do. Let's say they give her a deadline, like Uwani, you have to learn how to. Okay, you can swim already. You have to be able to jump from the sky by tomorrow. She will Google it. She can do anything, and I just she's not scared. Like she doesn't have fears. Like she just surpasses her fears and
surprise.
Yeah, and she just does it. So it blows my mind every time, and it's kind of like a motivation for me because I'm like, if she can do that, you know, I can do it too. You get me? Yeah.
You should like give each other some.
Yeah. Then weakness.
Yeah. I know what she's going to say already.
She does not say sorry. She does not say sorry. Like if she does something wrong, like she would rather just, you know, let's go back and just make things work without saying her sorry. You know, sorry is very important. Sorry lets the other person know that.
Now
sorry lets the other person know that okay, this person is remorseful and you know, but she would just like, hey, we don't get back in the mix, and you know that can cause severe emotional damage. Yeah, so that's her weakness. What's my weakness?
Now for her weakness, she doesn't know when to say if something is bothering her to anyone, not even just me.
Yeah.
So it's like when something is wrong, you won't say anything. I know that something is wrong, so I'm not trying to do it for you. I'm not trying to do the talking for you, and she doesn't know how to do that. Sometimes she can think, bullshit, and then you don't know it's bullshit because she's not telling you that it is.
That's true. That's true. Not even just in our relationship. Like,
like with other people
like,
too.
I never really say what's on my mind. That's bad. 2019, we need to do better.
Yeah,
we need to do better. So, what are her fears or phobias? This one I would have said dog, cats, but she's an animal lover. Me, on the other hand, no thanks. I'm not. I think
what's her fear?
I think failure is her fear. Let me be cheesy. What else? Let me see. Yeah. No, I think
I'm scared of settling too. Wait.
I was about to say something. You remember one time we were on Google and they showed me like this circle creepy. What's that called? Yeah, she doesn't
trypophobia or something.
Yeah, she doesn't like all those with holes. Yeah, she doesn't like anything with holes. That's something. Yeah, I don't know why that came to my mind. Were you about to say something?
Yeah, I'm about to say something. What was I saying? Your phobia.
Yeah, my fear, phobia. I don't know.
I think her fear is like not. I think that's why you like her too. Because you fear, you know, giving life what life has given her back. She fears that she might not.
That's deep.
Yeah,
that's deep. You're trying to say.
I know you understand what I'm trying to say. But I'm trying to say she fears that she might not.
You know, like you've had a past and you've had
out of it.
Like in as much as you see yourself, you're still winning, but somehow you have that thing over you, like
But I feel like everyone has it. It's just like self-pressure. Yeah, she does that. So.
Thank you. That's it. It's about self-pressure. And sometimes when you have self-pressure, even if you're moving and you're succeeding, you can't seem to see that.
And other people might see you succeeding and say, oh, you're doing good, you're doing well.
But you yourself, you don't see till you reach your next.
So I think she fears, you know, that phase of, you know, life.
Oh, you know me. Even I didn't know that until you said it. It's like therapy. This is like some therapy. This is really good. So the next question is, do you have nicknames for each other?
No, we don't, because I know what she's about to say. So we don't have any nicknames for each other.
I call her Madam.
No.
I call you Madam.
I actually do that. I say Madam. Sister. Auntie.
Yeah, we do that. We don't really have nicknames. 2 things your best friend doesn't know about you.
Let's hear it. The tea.
What don't you know? Wow. More than 10 years of friendship.
I don't think. What don't you know? Okay, let me see.
Spill the tea. This is hard.
1 hour later.
Because I don't think there's any. Anyway, I'll try and think. There should be something.
Why don't I know? Please.
That's why
I know everything, alright? I know his whole. Okay? The next question is, what do you admire most about your best friend? It's kind of similar to...
Yeah, I feel like they're asking us the same questions all over again.
Yeah. You know what? I'll ask us a question. There's a question that is on my mind. Whiskey or Davido? I know this is so random, but...
Yeah, and with reasons. Bring your diagram, 2 graphs.
Funny enough, 2 my extra sheets and my mathematical set.
Your math set.
Wizkid or Davido, I'll say Wizkid, and I do not dislike Davido. In fact, I like him, but I'll just say Wizkid because, like, you know, he paved the way. Like when Nigerian music is now, yeah, everybody's winning to Wasabi techno, you get it. But like Wizkid was like the first person to like go mainstream and, you know, start what's involved. Like, I'm sorry, Wizkid, and then there's Davido.
I beg to differ.
Why do you beg to differ?
Because one of your points is wrong. He wasn't first to go mainstream. The band did that.
Yeah, but that was like,
so,
nah, I get it. But that's like, you're looking for facts. But
yeah, I'm just saying, I'm just begging to differ. But me, I pick Davido because Davido.
Really, where's your camera?
Where's your I mean, he's a good person. He's giving us jobs. He's helped a lot of people like come up, you know.
True.
You see his team, everybody on his team is winning. You don't just know only Davido.
Who are you trying to say?
Company. Like even everybody knows that Davido is going for a award. The old guy,
I thought
and he's actually talented, regardless of whether we want to accept it.
Yeah, no, it's talented.
He's talented. He gives us
Wizkid is talented too.
He gives us jobs too. You know, he's a good father.
Oh, you did that! Okay, you won. Okay, I think you're both great.
Yeah, I would be jamming. Oh yeah, Facebook.
What's on the fever?
What song am I going to be doing this summer? Obviously.
Oh, I know, fever was on my mind. That was the hot song. Everything's still. Oh my god. Oh, you know that thing I find it raz.
It's so raz.
Like everything's.
And you are raz because it just
no
associated.
I just said it because like it's for content.
Anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lively with the Fro.
I'm
just here. I'm just here to talk.
Please.
All the twins.
Yeah, don't do that. She, what she's in her video, her slow-mos. Like as a fan.
There is a fan.
You know what I mean? Those big and elaborate fans, like her intros, I go and watch her intros. And then she has to have a man jam. If the jam is not mad.
And then this one she's always kissing you guys.
Yeah, listen. Yeah. I watched that in a Korean drama. Like, I just started doing it. So guys, that's it. That's the best friend tag. I hope you enjoyed it because like it helped me know a lot of things that I know about myself.
Like
Thank you, and it was lit. Thank you for coming to my channel, even though we're in the setup. But thank you for coming on my channel.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to both of our channels. I'll put the link in my description. Make sure you support us. Until next time, peace out.